Welcome back to the Nifty Network. Today we are going to show you how to remove your battery. It's all the same for 350Z, G35, G37, Q50, Q70, Q60. Basically, if you own a Nissan or an Infiniti, even the Maximas, the Ultimas, all those are the same. If you need to replace your battery, we're just going to go into here, right where it says battery. Pop this open. You don't need any tools for that right there. And then you're going to see a few pop clips in here. And we're going to pop those out. So there's one. There's two. There's three. There's a fourth one right here. And there should be one right here. So yours should have 5. So once you pop those 5 out, you're just going to do that. Put that on top of the car. And then you're going to see this secondary piece back here. And you want to make sure not to rip the little rubber gasket right there. So just loosen that first. And then take your weather stripping off. There's a little pinch tab here. Walk that forward and this thing will fly right out like that. And then you're going to see a positive terminal cover. If you're looking at it right here, you just lift up there and it comes off. Like you can see how easy it goes on and off. So take that off. And then you're going to grab a 10mm wrench. And you're going to loosen this right here. This is your positive terminal. Make sure that you don't touch your wrench to another piece of metal, because since this is positive and you touch to another piece of metal, you'll basically be grounding it out. And then that'll make sparks and you'll get shocked. So pull the positive off like that. Tilt that to the side. Go to the negative. And loosen that as well with your 10mm. Pop that off like that. And I like to do the terminals before I do these two, just because this kind of holds it in place and then you don't have to hold the battery at the same time. You can also pop this off if it makes it easier to get a socket or a wrench in there, just to give you a little wiggle room. So I'll grab a socket on this one. And you don't have to go all the way with these. You just go just enough to where you can loosen the hook out of the back and loosen the hook out of the front. And then you're just going to grab your battery and pull straight up. And there you go. That's how you take your battery out.